Hi, my name's Matt Kelly, and I'm Chief Technical Officer and Vice President of Technology Solutions at IPC, inviting you to attend our special session on Thursday, January the 26th from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. It's entitled From Mills to Microns, Bridging the Capabilities of HDI PCBs to IC Substrates. During this session, we'll be covering technology needs and drivers, showing where the technology is today and where it's going. Talk about the stark reality of North American and European substrate capabilities as they are today, with plans for the future. The need to balance current and future IC substrate investments, and the reality of what it takes to qualify and bring up these new technologies. The session will be a panel led by myself, and we've invited 4 subject matter experts in our field to discuss these topics. We have Ms. Jan Vardaman, President and Founder of TechSearch International. We have Dr. Sam Salamana, CEO of Hyperion Technologies. Jim Fuller, Vice President of Engineering and Technology Development at Sanmina. And Matt Neely, Director of Process Engineering for North America at TTM. This session is significant to the electronics manufacturing industry, basically because of all the change that is occurring right now. By now, we've all seen the significant investments signaled by the United States government on the order of $52 billion that will be starting to deploy in year 2023, closely followed by that type of funding from the European Union as well. We know that while silicon is extremely important and the changes that are going on in these spaces are leading the way, they're insufficient by themselves. Our silicon to systems approach, which is required to produce final systems, is really what we're talking about here today. And it really highlights the need for greater focus on IC substrates as well as assembly and test of these devices.